Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a hair I got from Victoriaswig. I'll show you guys how I did my makeup. Maybe like I'll fast forward through the clip and I would just show you how I laid it down. It's an install, it's not a wig, so I actually installed it on. So I just laid the front down and I'll show you guys how I did it. I'm not exactly an expert in this department, but I tried my best and I hope you guys love the way it turned out. So you guys, I love the way the wig turned out. It was a black hair, it was actually black, and I wanted the blue. Then I told my friend, shout out to her, Hair by Jerita, she's on Instagram and everything. She dyed this hair for me. She bleached and dyed it. Normally when I bleach this hair it will probably turn out green or something, but right now it's more or less like a peacock color, which is exactly what I wanted, and I am so happy about that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Literally you can feel it, like it's so smooth. Even after the bleaching and everything, I thought it was gonna lose. Okay, it did lose a bit of curls, it did, because it was supposed to be an Italian curl, but after the bleaching I didn't like the way it turned out, so I decided to put in bendy rollers, and I love the way it looks right now. I actually do really like it. It's very smooth. I can put my hand through it, no problem. Like literally, look at it, no problem. Like normally when I bleach my hair, trust me, it's either messed up or, you know what, give me a minute. Okay. As I was saying, normally when I bleach my hair, it always either turns out very dry or we start breaking or whatever the case is. But this particular wig, you know what, I am so loving it. So beautiful, so smooth, like you can run your fingers through it, no problem. And you know what, you guys should definitely check them out. They are so worth your money. I think they have their handle. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna insert the handle in my description bar. It's called Victoriaswig. I'm gonna check them. I'm gonna check it out and put it in my description bar. And by the way, sorry, this hair was gifted to me, so but all the opinions are mine. If the hair was rubbish, I'll be the first person to say that. They did ask me to if I wanted a code or whatever for my followers or whatever. I've said to them that I need to check out the hair first. If the hair is not good, I'm not gonna be telling my followers or my subscribers to go buy something that is not good. But if it's good, obviously, yeah, you guys go check it out. If I do have a code, then I will insert it there so you guys can actually get some money off or something. But I really like the hair. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. Obviously, I cannot wear my hair black. I am just a very weird person like that, so you guys just give up on that. My hair is not usually black. It's usually like this color, red or blue or whatever the case is. I always love colors in my hair, in my makeup, in my everything. So just give up on trying to make me wear any black hair. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment in the comment section, and check out my socials down below. And remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.